All right, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a lesson from Nova English Academy on a truly essential building block of English grammar, the pronoun. If you ever feel like your sentences are dragging on or just sound overly repetitive, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to deconstruct these simple little tools to make your communication smoother, faster, and way more natural.
Think about this for a second. Sarah is my friend. Sarah is kind. It feels kind of clunky, right? A bit heavy and robotic. But look at what happens when we swap in the word she. Sarah is my friend. She is kind. Boom, instant rhythm. It gives the sentence this effortless flow and a much more natural conversational tone.
So, what exactly is a pronoun, anyway?
Well, basically, it's a word that takes the place of a noun. Think of it like a grammar superhero. Instead of forcing you to repeat the exact same noun over and over, which gets exhausting for everyone, the pronoun swoops in, takes its place, and gives your original noun a much-needed break. It's literally the ultimate language shortcut.
Let's actually meet these common pronouns.
Here is your foundational cheat sheet. We've got 7 heavy hitters here, and they each map to exactly who or what they're designed to replace. Talking about yourself, you grab I. Addressing someone directly, use you. He and she have you completely covered for guys and gals. Now, what about animals or objects? That's where it steps in. And when things get plural, you use we if you're actually included in the group, and they if you're talking about a totally different bunch of people.
Okay, let's see these pronouns in action.
We'll start with Ali is playing football. Since Ali is a boy, we just check our toolkit, pull out he, and make the swap. The new sentence, he is playing football, gives us the exact same information, but it just gets us there a whole lot faster. And the exact same logic applies to female nouns. Take Maya is singing. Maya is seamlessly swapped out for she. The meaning doesn't change one bit, but the delivery? So much smoother. And hey, it isn't just for people. When you're talking about an animal, like this incredibly relaxed sleeping cat, or a thing, you just replace that noun with it. So the cat is sleeping efficiently becomes it is sleeping.
Now let's tackle plurals. When you have multiple people, like Tom and Lily here, they combine into the plural pronoun they. Honestly, imagine having to list out every single name in a group of 10 friends. That would take absolutely forever. Instead, you just bundle them all up and simply say they are friends. There is one crucial exception here, though. Actually, scratch that. It's more of an important shift. Take my sister and I study English. The very second you include yourself in the mix, the entire group condenses into a simple we. You become part of the group, so they automatically shifts to we.
Let's practice this together for a quick second.
Here is a prompt straight from the Nova English Academy lesson. Ahmed is my brother. Blank is 10 years old. So, figure out what noun we need to replace for Ahmed in that second sentence. Are we going with A, she, B, he, or C, they? I'll give you just a moment to think about what fits perfectly into that blank space.
All right, let's see how you did. The correct answer is B, he. Because Ahmed is a boy, he is literally the perfect puzzle piece here. Option A implies a girl, and option C implies a whole group of people. He hits the nail right on the head.
Let's do a quick review and talk next steps.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are your magnificent 7 pronouns. They are always standing by, ready to jump in and replace those nouns whenever you need a breather. They are the absolutely essential building blocks for taking your English from feeling kind of rigid to totally relaxed. And why does all this matter? Because it completely changes the rhythm of how you speak. By leaning on these little words, you avoid endlessly repeating the same names and objects over and over. It's the secret sauce to sounding way less like you're reading straight out of a textbook and way more like you're just effortlessly flowing through a real-world conversation.
I'll leave you with this final thought from the folks at Nova English Academy. Learn English. Build your future. If mastering something as tiny as a pronoun can completely revolutionize how naturally you speak in just a few minutes, well, just imagine what a little daily practice could do for your overall confidence, right? So what other small adjustments are waiting out there to completely transform the way you communicate?